Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY video, we're going to be learning how to make this skull candle using Dollar Tree products. So I just started by melting down 6 of the unscented pillar candles from the Dollar Tree, and I poured the melted wax into the top of this plastic skull that they sell at the Dollar Tree. You can see here that I just cut a little hole in the top of it. There is a small hole on the chin of the skull, so I just covered that with tape, and you can tell that some of the wax kind of crept through that hole a little bit because there is wax all around the chin, but it's totally fine that it does that. It will come out of the mold perfectly fine, but just know it will come out of that hole just a little bit. I left the wax to cool overnight, and after doing so, I just started taking the plastic skull off from around the wax. You can see here I use a couple different methods. I use my straight razor, I use a pair of sharp scissors. You have to just really work with it. I mean, I was really putting some muscle into getting this off. So I just kind of cut it from all corners, as you can see here, and then just started peeling it away. So you can see that it came out pretty good. You can see a few areas where I was trying to cut the plastic off. It left some lines in the wax. It doesn't really bother me too much, but you'll see here in a second, I just take a lighter to it and I just kind of hold the lighter on it for a few seconds, and it doesn't get too super hot to where you can't touch it. So I'm just using my finger to kind of smooth it out a little bit. This part is optional, but if you find that your wax is not the smoothest in certain parts, this is a good method to use.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue.
Alright guys, so that is it. Nice and simple. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I would be more than happy to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!